I'm starting applying an eyeshadow primer all over my eyelid. Now I'm using a cream color eyeshadow as my brow bone highlight. I already applied a piece of tape to help me to create a sharp edge, and now I'm using caramel shade as a transition, and I'm applying it with a fluffy crease brush. With a smaller blending brush, I'm applying the star of the show, this gorgeous matte red eyeshadow, and I'm applying it into the crease and in the other V, and I'm blending it with the caramel shade. Now with two purpley brown eyeshadows, I'm creating a gradient, again into my crease, in the outer V and in my inner corner. By the way, you should follow me on Instagram. You can find me at TheEmanueleCastelli. So, do it. Now I'm creating more depth with a black matte eyeshadow, and I'm applying it again in the outer V, crease and inner corner. Now with my Tarte Shape Tape and a small lip brush, I'm cutting my crease just in the center. Over the concealer, I'm applying Beam, again just in the center. Now with the same eyeshadows I used on my crease, I'm creating a gradient halo on my lid. And now I'm applying a bit of Beam again to intensify it. Under my lower lashes, I'm applying the caramel shade, the red eyeshadow and the black. Now I'm using a wedding planner and a Beam as my inner corner highlight. Off camera I applied lenses, false lashes and a black casual on my waterline. Now I'm applying a pinky nude liquid lipstick on my lips and a glittery gold gloss on top. So guys, that's the final look. This was inspired by Destiny. I'll put her links in the info box. Let me know what you think about this look. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.